Good afternoon, I'm Alex from Fontaine Motors and I'm going to give you a video tour of our Audi S4 Avant S4OFR Daytona Grey B9 chassis 3-litre TFSI Quattro, obviously petrol engined car, and yes, the S4 number plate does stay on it. There's no charge associated with that. Most recent owner no longer owns an S4, so did not wish to keep the number plate. That will stay on the car. I'm going to show you around the car, a panel at a time. So I'll make a loop of the car, show you around each panel, each area as I go. I'll highlight any imperfections as we go around. And I'll also show you a few key features on the car, as there are some really quite nice factory options on this car. If you'd like a talking of key features, if you'd like a more detailed look at specification, I would suggest having a good look at the main body text of the advert, where you will find both of specification and service history itemised in full. So, general look at the front end there, which is very nice indeed. It presents itself really nicely. I'm going to go in nice and close now and try to keep focus, just to show you a few small stone chips around the front end. Do the same for the bumper. No scratches or scuffs or dents on the bumper, but if you go in close, you'll see you've got some fine chips. Plastics look nice. Factory gloss black styling pack car. That's a little, sorry, I thought it was a chip worm. No, it's not. It's something off the tree behind me. To the near side of the car. I'll move my phone around just so you can watch the reflections and see that it all looks nice and straight. Paint finish is good, all lines up as it should do. Near side front wheel, that's been refurbished, so it is looks spot on. Red brake calipers on this car, very light front brake wear on this, and when I show you the rears, you'll see that we have got the rears lined up for placement. Hankook tyre, that's as new, 7+ millimeters of tread. Nice down the sill, and the door mirror. Near side front there. Near side front door panel. Black leather interior with contrast pale grey stitching. The factory brushed aluminium trims, which if you are familiar with Audi or you've looked at any or many of these, you'll see are highly prone to picking up little marks and scratches, and the original trims in these did have a few light scratches on them. They're expensive to replace, and the difficulty with replacing them is that they scratch again. So for this car, we've carried out a little bit of an upgrade, and sorry, just whilst I'm chatting, showing you the passenger seat. 3M satin carbon vinyl, more durable and nicer looking than the standard trims, I think. Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade on this car. Near side rear door. Now, standing here, I'm about a metre away. There is a mark there that you can just see by going closer. In fact, if I use a key, that mark is probably 10 millimeters round, something like that. I think that's where a dent's been pulled out and touched in. Near side rear door panel. Near side seat back. I was about to say that's a scratch on the side of the seat there, but it's not. I think it's actually just a bit of a handprint with some polish on it. Seat back seat is in nice condition. One of its Isofix covers, I think, has been lost from that side, so we'll replace that for you. And if you look real close, you can see there's faint impressions on the leather where a child seat's been. It's not cut or damaged, you can just see where it has been. View up and over the roof, panoramic glass sunroof on this car. Near side quarter panel there. Near side rear wheel, just been refurbished. Hankook tyre, again as new. Rear discs and pads we have got lined up for replacement on this car. And as the rain is just about to restart, I'm going to back it inside and keep going rather than start again, because we are fighting the weather today. So I'll put it inside, show you the interior bits I was going to end with, and then carry on with the outside of the car, rather than it getting soaking wet again. So there we go. On the button, straight into a nice smooth idle, virtual cockpit on this car, working as it should. Focus, same for MMI. Drive select controls there. If I go into background lighting, extended LED interior lighting pack, so if you wish to have bright pink interior lights, purple, pink, purple. You can do. Struggling with focus and white balance a bit inside now. 3-zone climate control on S4 with heated front seats. That smells fresh, as does the interior. Panoramic glass sunroof. It's a twin pane sunroof. The front one tilts and slides. Nice and smooth and quiet in operation. And you've got a full length electric sun blind you can see coming over there as well. Front and rear parking sensors with reversing camera. Smartphone interface, which gives you both of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Memory on the fully electric front seats, memory on the driver's side. The door mirrors are electrically adjustable, folding, heating and dimming, and the interior rear view mirror is auto dimming with the outside mirrors. Continue round outside the car now as we're out of the rain. I think I'd got to the near side quarter, so we'll go to the back of the car. So, tailgate and rear bumper look good. By going close on the rear bumper, you can see there's some little marks that have been touched in, presumably just from things loading as a family car over its life. Valance in nice condition. Whilst tailpipes do still look very nice, you have got some light pitting on the shiny, chromy, polished stainless ends. No scratching around the door handle. Inside the boot looks good. Carpets are in nice condition. There's minimal wear on those. And I'll just show you again the load lip. and to the offside of the car. So I'll do the same again. I'll go down low, I'll move my phone so you can watch the reflections, but everything aligns as it should. The paint looks nice. Offside rear wheel, refurbished, OE Hankook tyre with 6 if not 7 millimeters of tread. Offside quarter panel. You've got, see there, just a tiny little chip that's been touched in by the fuel door. And it's nice and clean inside there. 95 RON for this car, no need to use super unleaded. In fact, I do think I missed the quarter on the near side, so if I just double back quickly, I did see on that quarter, I'm going to struggle to pick them up, but there were, yeah, there's, you see there's just a nick there that's been neatly touched in, maybe 15 millimeters. I think there was another little tiny one there as well, but I can't actually see it now. I mean, actually, if you consider the age of this car, you could say I'm nitpicking, but we do try and like to get all these points across. I don't think there's anything on the car that would warrant remedial action or body shop repair. There are simply a few small marks from use. Hopefully, the impression that overall it looks really nice is coming across well. So we try with these videos to give you an honest appraisal of the car, so that if you were considering placing a deposit online and then collecting on the same day as viewing the car, that the car will look very, very much as you expect it to, and as we've told and shown you. Opposite view of the rear seats there. Up and over the roof again with the sunroof closed now. And of course, as I get it back inside, it's stopped raining outside and the sun's almost peeping out. Ha! That was always going to happen, wasn't it? Offside front door. Door mirror. Offside front door panel. So you've got controls there for the folding door mirrors, memory seats, electric tailgate, Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade, and you can just see Audi beam projecting onto the floor there. I'll pop that really to show you the engine bay. Flat bottom steering wheel in this car, leather on which looks nice. And I'll go again over the driver's seat, nice and slow so you can see it. There is just some very light wear on the outer bolsters. Actually in really nice condition. The cushions are exactly the shape they should be. They're not squashed or anything like that. Fully electric front seats with massage function in S4. Offside front wheel, also refurbished, so no damage on those. OEM Hankook tyre with pretty much full tread, minimal wear on the front brakes. So once the new rear brakes are on this car, it's going to be a long while before you need to think about any brake or tyre replacements. Engine bay there. Clean, tidy and standard. It's not a modified car. Right, thin frame inside, and there we go. I hope you found that video tour to have been helpful. If you've got any questions off the back of that, if you'd like a finance quote or a part exchange price, do feel free to reach out. Thanks very much.